Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of effortless cleaning with our handheld steam cleaner, a powerful and versatile tool designed to make your housework a breeze. With 1,200 watts of power, this steam cleaner generates pressure steam up to 3.2 bar, reaching temperatures of 230 degrees Fahrenheit to tackle stubborn grease, grout, and dirt on various hard surfaces. Equipped with a 350 milliliters tank, it provides continuous steam for 8 to 15 minutes, allowing you to clean everything from floors and tiles to windows and couches without the need for harsh chemicals. Safety is a priority with its safety cap, ensuring no harmful fumes or residue, while its compact design and 9.8-foot power cord make it easy to maneuver from room to room. The steam cleaner comes with 11 versatile accessories, perfect for tackling grease and dirt on tiles, sinks, kitchen stoves, bathrooms, and more, saving you time and effort. Remember to let the steam cleaner cool for about 3 to 5 minutes before opening the safety cap, ensuring a safe and efficient cleaning experience. Get ready to transform your cleaning routine with this all-in-one steam cleaner, making your home sparkle with ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.